In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert non-YouTube videos into Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a presentation at work or school, knowing how to incorporate videos seamlessly can elevate your slides and engage your audience even more effectively. Let's dive in. First, the most fundamental step is getting to Google Slides. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Slides website. Google Slides is a convenient tool that's part of the Google Workspace suite, known for its ease of use and collaborative features. Once you're on the website, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Slides to avoid any access issues later on. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your previously created presentations, as well as options to start new ones. Our next step will be to create a blank presentation. Click on the option to start a new blank presentation. This will create a fresh canvas for you to work on. It's always a good idea to start with a blank presentation, as it lets you tailor your slide design to fit the video you'll be inserting along with any additional content you might want to add. With your blank presentation open, it's time to focus on integrating the video. Move your cursor to the top of the screen and click on Insert in the menu bar. This drop-down menu offers several options for what you can add to your presentation. For videos specifically, you'll want to choose the video option. At this point, Google Slides offers a few different sources for videos, but since we're focusing on non-YouTube content, you'll want to select the option that allows uploading from Google Drive. You can store your video file in Google Drive and then select it from there. This step is crucial as Google Slides supports integration with Google Drive for embedding content. Ensure your video file is already uploaded to Google Drive before you reach this step for a smoother process. Once you've selected your video from Google Drive, simply click to insert it into your slide. You'll see the video appear where you can then click and drag to move it to your desired location on the slide. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. Make sure to position the video in a way that complements the other elements on your slide for an aesthetically pleasing layout. There you have it, an easy and efficient way to integrate non-YouTube videos into your Google Slides presentation. With these simple steps, you can enhance your presentations and make them more dynamic and engaging. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps in creating more effective and captivating presentations.